I honestly, I don't know what it was, but I like seeing Oprah back on television.
That's weird.
Actually, you know what it was? It's like reminds me of like after school watching TV with my mom.
Okay, interesting. See, I don't have that memory. If I'm thinking back to after school with my mom, I'd say I remember seeing Phil Donahue, but I guess that's where the age difference comes into
Jesse,
play.
Raphael, Jesus.
Yeah, right?
Did you now? All right, Did You Now, episode 9.
9. Bingo, you got it right for the first time.
Got it right, 1 out of 9. All right, 3 topics. We hit them super fast. A little real estate, a little pop culture, a little fun. Topic number 1, NFTs. You know what an NFT is?
No idea.
Neither do I. All right, NFT, it's like non-fungible or fungible. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Whatever. Non-fungible tokens. Okay, you ready? It's like it's a fad right now, but it looks like it's going to stick. Are you ready for what it is?
Okay.
It's where people on the internet can sell moments. So let me give you an example. You could sell, like the guy at Twitter, he just sold his first tweet. So somebody owns his first tweet. It sold for like millions of dollars. All right.
What?
Logan Paul, YouTube guy, he just sold stuff as an NFT. You can sell NBA highlights. It's the biggest thing where it's breaking out is NBA Top Shop, it's called. I'm asking you, if you could buy a moment with an NFT, fungus, whatever it's called, what moment would you buy? I know my moment, but I want to know what moment in history or digital thing, like video, internet-based thing, would you buy? It's a big moment. It's a big spot to put you in.
Bobby Orr scoring the goal.
That's classic. See, I'm going that route, and I didn't want to go hockey. I want Scott Stevens' hit on Paul Correa, and I want it bad. As long as the call has to be with it, too, by the way. I need Gary Thorne's call.
Time out. This makes no sense to me, and I had no idea we were going to talk about this. So you're telling me somebody can buy that clip, and then nobody else can use it?
This is part of the show, right? Yeah, all right. I'm just making sure. I didn't know you were timing out
I have no idea what we were going to talk about this, but you can buy that clip and nobody can use it.
First time you ever put it, if there's video on the internet, first time of you putting on the goalie pads and playing hockey, you could sell that. Somebody could go buy it.
For
how it happens, let's not even talk about how, why, what, NFTs, fungus, I don't even know. But I'm just saying, what's the moment? And you're saying Bobby Orr.
Bobby Orr. This whole concept makes no sense to me, but I guess I'll learn more as it happens.
I feel like 12-year-old me is angry that I didn't say like when Lex Luger body slammed Yokozuna with like the whole American flag outfit on in WWE.
Hulk Hogan body slamming Andre the Giant. That was a big deal.
Leg drops, elbow drops. All right, I'm buying them all. I don't care. I'll find it. But NHL hasn't done it yet, but the NBA is already in it. You're going to look into this. There's some money to be made.
We're in a world right now where somebody said a Pokemon card was selling for like $1 million.
Yes.
And what was the other one? The Zion, the NBA guy.
Yes.
Has a card that's going for over $1 million.
Yeah, I don't even get it. And there's like digital cards now. What is that? Like, why is a video? Whatever. We're
next.
All right, topic 2. We'll go into our trending topic of the week, VA loans. I'm just going to tee up, let you go, because VA loans, something all veterans need to know the programs that are available to them.
Did you lose your voice there for a second?
I did for a quick second.
No, VA loans are an awesome program. What's crazy is that a lot of veterans don't know about them. Mm-hmm. I shouldn't say a lot. We've recently come across some that, veterans that have been inactive for a long time and they just forget about the benefit. It's a no-brainer if you're a veteran to do a veteran loan for a few different reasons. Number one, rates, okay? The market right now, for example, many loans are above 3%. Mm-hmm. A VA loan is still in the high 2s, so you're going to get lower rates. Number 2, you can do 100% financing, and you can even finance closing costs. So for people that don't have a lot of money to put down, that's unbelievable. And typically when you're putting less than 20% down, you have to pay PMI or private mortgage insurance, and with the VA loan, no PMI.
Nothing, yeah. I mean, I would assume it's like anything else. Like a veteran calls you just like a regular home buyer, right? And they're probably in their head thinking like, I'm putting 20% down. And that they just don't know that it doesn't have to be the case. Let's put it that way.
We just did one in Hingham, oddly enough, same type thing. It was just over $1 million purchase price. They were going to put 20% down, and then we're talking to me about a home equity line of credit because they wanted to do home renovations. It's one of those historical homes in Hingham. They just did 100% financing at $1 million, which is amazing, and kept that money that they were going to use for the down payment for the renovation. No brainer.
Think of it like for veterans, whether if you have, if one of your clients is a veteran or veterans are watching this, but think about like anything. We were talking about like health and fitness the other day, and sometimes you just forget about the programs at work that are available to you. So if you're a veteran and this hasn't been brought to your attention, like hopefully the people that you're working with are obviously bringing that up when you make the call, right? It's the first thing you would bring up if a veteran called the Devin Group.
No brainer.
No brainer. All right, if you're a veteran or one of your clients is, DM us. It's somewhere they know where it is by now. DM us, we'll get you all the information you need to know. Topic number 3, one we're super pumped about. We got off a conference call yesterday. CrossCountry Mortgage and Barstool Sports to the moon.
Exciting. We've been talking about this for a long time. Yeah, well, I'm going to let that slide.
Ignore it. Lose my voice and that thing. I don't know.
We started the idea, it was an idea, on a Thursday night in the Devin household and stuff that we had talked about October of 2019.
Yep.
We went to Barstool the end of that year. Pandemic hits. We launched with them last year at a certain level.
Yep.
But this, what we just launched last week, I mean, this is going to be major brand Chevy, High Noon, Budweiser type stuff on Barstool, which is super exciting.
Which is awesome. And the launch was this week. We had a bunch of buddies actually play in it, but they did the Pink Whitney Cup.
Yep.
I mean,
We should have been down there.
I call it the pink stuff.
Yeah.
I drink the pink stuff. It's not a big deal.
I'm all in on it.
I'm all in on the pink stuff. But they had the Pink Whitney Cup, and I heard it was a huge success. That's kind of like the kickoff point. That's going to be released on YouTube in a couple weeks. CrossCountry Mortgage all over the place with that. I saw those mitts on the ice, by the way. I saw the lead singer of a band wearing those mitts in this video. I don't know how that happened, but it happened.
I know nothing. That's crazy.
Whatever. It is what it is. But we're super pumped about it. We've been talking about it in here for a long time. So more to come there.
Yeah, a lot more to come.
And the coolest part about it is now, every time someone walks in that door, they understand why there's a Barstool Sports bowling ball standing there. We don't have to describe it to anybody anymore. So, done. All right, DG Now, episode 9. That was a hit.